It's very light. It's like it's empty. This is a JBL Quantum 100 gaming headset. And I was very surprised that I can get a JBL gaming headset at a $50 price point. But let's check what's inside. This JBL gaming headset uses a wired connection, and of course, it has a quick start guide, a warranty information, and a detachable microphone. It's very flexible, and it uses a three-quarter jack to attach itself to the headset. And of course, here's the headset. Okay, first impression. It is definitely an entry-level gaming headset. But let me be honest, the unboxing that you just watched, that was a few days ago. I've been using this headset for a few days now, and it is definitely an entry-level build quality. But if there's anything that is not entry-level with a JBL gaming headset, it is the audio quality. And we'll get to that. So make sure you keep watching because you'll be surprised on how I compare this gaming headset to other gaming headset that have a higher price point. Although JBL used an entry-level build quality on this headset, they put quite a few features in here, so it will be comfortable to wear and to use for a long period of time. Right underneath the headband, you will notice a soft foam that is covered by a polyurethane leather, as well as the ear cushions. They are using memory foams and they are also covered by a polyurethane leather. And the ear cushions are really locking the sound from the inside because you can hear your voice the moment you wear it. Your ears might even feel warm when you're wearing this for a long period of time. Another thing to notice is the earpiece of this gaming headset also moves vertically and horizontally. It flips horizontally and it moves vertically, which means that it will complement any type of head shape. One more thing to take note is that they put a volume control and also a mute button. When it comes to the cable, you can see that they used a braided cable, so it's really durable. And it's also using an angled 3.5 mm jack that looks pretty solid. And now when it comes to the microphone is detachable. You can attach it and detach it if you don't need it. Now when it comes to the sound quality of the microphone, oh, oh, did I not mention that I'm now talking to you through the microphone of the gaming headset? Yes, this is the sound of the microphone of the gaming headset. And you can agree with me. For an entry-level gaming headset, it sounds pretty amazing. And I'm going to be using this microphone to finish out this review. Now, when it comes to the frequency response and the audio quality of this headset, the stuff that you can hear. I'm going to show you a graph in comparison to what is known as the best gaming headset in 2025. And mind you, the margin when it comes to price point in comparison to the JBL Quantum 100 is quite far. Actually, in my opinion, I find the JBL Quantum 100 still superior when it comes to the audio quality. And you can see it right on the graph that is playing right now. You can pause it so you can see the numbers that is in there. And I think with the price point of the JBL Quantum 100, in my opinion, I think I'm getting a lot more when it comes to the audio quality. And with its price point, I think this gaming headset is a steal. So guys, this is the JBL Quantum 100 gaming headset. Get yours today. And thanks for watching.